Hello and welcome to Hilton London Heathrow. Thank you for joining us today on what is our new normal, a virtual site inspection giving you the opportunity to see our fantastic hotel from the comfort of your own chair. We understand that our guests and meeting attendees expect an even higher standard of cleanliness more than ever. Building upon our already high standards of housekeeping and hygiene, EventReady with Clean Stay will ensure our attendees enjoy an even cleaner and safer stay and event from check-in to check-out.
We'll now take the time to walk through our Clean Stay bedroom product, go through our public areas showcasing our social distancing measures, sanitizing stations, and head down to our meeting space to really showcase our new EventReady. We're really excited about the changes we've made and we look forward to you joining us on this journey.
We have introduced Digital Key, which allows guests and attendees to bypass reception and gain contactless access to their rooms. Deep cleaned and disinfected by housekeeping with a Clean Stay room seal, ensuring that no one else has access to your room after it has been cleaned. As you enter the room, you will notice that we have removed all additional collateral and materials such as pens, paper, and menus. The room has been cleaned and focused on the 10 high-touch areas, such as switches, handles and knobs, climate control pads, telephones, remotes, bath amenities, minibars, and there are disinfection wipes available should you wish to use additionally.
As guests and delegates walk through our public space, they'll notice hand sanitizing stations in key high-touch areas, as well as gentle reminders about wearing your mask in all public space. Keep everyone safe.
To continue our Clean Stay program in our meeting space, EventReady continues to concentrate on cleaning and disinfection of our 10 high-touch points within the meeting room.
You will find that the main entry door to your meeting room will be sealed with our Clean Stay event seal with a minimum of 30 minutes prior to you accessing your meeting room.
Our EventReady room checklist will be presented to the organizer prior to the meeting. Customized room setups will reflect the 1 meter plus social distancing measures to help support physical distancing between delegates. Food and beverage options continue to be experienced in a creative and thoughtfully served manner. Chef and team members focus on individual portions and single service solutions which are sourced locally and sustainably. When guests go to the fitness center, they will notice disinfected wipes with signage on proper use of the equipment, which has been rearranged to accommodate social distancing.
I'm a regular guest here at the Hilton T4 and have been coming here for many months now, and we've been welcomed very, very much by the team who are always here to help us with whatever setup we might need. With the newly introduced EventReady cleaning standards, I feel confident in knowing my meeting room is cleaned and sanitized every day before my arrival. The team are always flexible and helpful with any setup needs I may have.
Thank you for your time today. We promise that during your on-site experience, our team's hospitality will continue to shine through. We cannot wait to have you back.